na giteo kinene njitikiria ngoro gikunyita ugeni gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro guko ni kwa Muthingi TV muthenya umuthi ari ni tariki 22 mweri wa Februari mwaka wa 2024 gikihoka ati thiko yaku no irathi ikunjurukite oro wega ndoka niguo ngurehere maratu kuhaririria riboti kuma county itiganite uko bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma Jawai toka cia bũrũri toikorokia nginya riboti cia mathako tukionera bũrũri wa Gĩtinda ũkĩgariũra ni maingĩ maria tukuharĩrĩirie no mbere ndaya tũmũkire matemo ma mohoro. Mamwe ma maria tukuharĩrĩirie magana ma aikari kwiyumiria muno wa Eldoret gucakayana kuyana gitio kia muthia kwi mutengeri Calvin Kiptum uria weriga gukwa mutino-ini moru wa farafara. Arutwo wa cukuru wa kothi cia moko wa Ramogi kurorongana kuhura mogarũrũku ma utongoria wa thukuru uyu na watongoria kiama kia ODM kuhoya Wycliffe Oparanya kuya utongoria wa kiama giki Raila Odinga arahuranira giturwa kia muikariri giti wa AU. Gagiteka muno ni we gwitikira gukanigwo tutwarithanie gaikara gikomenyithagia ati mohoro maya mai tuturamamemerakia imwe kwa imwe nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria kuria mwena wa Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, twathi mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na niĩ njĩtĩkaga wa irimũ wa Kimani na tukiambĩrĩria ni ati gĩcunjĩ kia atongoria na amwe aikari a mbere gũkũ nĩ kaunti ya Embu nimeregete gwikinyia mucemanio-inĩ uria witanĩtwo nĩ thirikari ya gũkũ kaunti ya Embu, mucemanio uria ũbatiĩ gũkorwo ũgĩtuithania cira wa Mugunda wa Mwea uria nĩ makiria ma eka 440 kuria atongoria aya na aikari maugĩte ati mucemanio uyu urendekithio harĩ kugayania mugunda uyu na kumahe andu amwe a Mwea undu uria materetĩkĩrania naguo. Nĩ riboti iria iragikorwo igituhingũrĩra gĩkũnjũro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa umuthi.
Na mwekamba ciothe nĩ njire na ikathira.
Hatuwezi kwenda kukaa chini tupange vile ati tutagawanya ile title nimeshapewa. Process ile inatakikana imefuatwa nikapata title. Okay? Watu mko kwa kotini tukawashinda. Alafu tuitwe tena tuanze tukae chini. Tungekaa chini kitambo.
Kuna wa politician ambao wanaisaiti watu na wale watu wanakuwa incited wamepewa mashamba. Ile mnaita ADR hiyo huko scheme imefanyika kwa sababu Wakamba walichagua watu 30 wa mbele 30 wa Embu na Kikuyu wachagua 30 na wakakaa chini wakafanya ADR na wakamaliza ile maneno na wakashine na ikatokea kitu inaitwa consent ndio ilipelekwa kotini. Hao watu wakikubaliana shamba igawe, na wakati shamba iligawa watu wakapata, kila mtu akapata title.
Hiyo NDR imeproposiwa ni vizuri ndio watu waongee pamoja, lakini pia ningeongezea niseme to the county commissioner and the rest of the people leading the process, akuwezekani kuwa na NDR ya watu pande moja bila wale wako na title.
Sisi kama viongozi tunasema ya kwamba tutasimama na wananchi mpaka waende wapate haki yao. Sababu tunasema sisi hatuendi kunyang'anya mtu shamba. Tunaenda kupeleka watu kwa shamba yao, na kama tunaenda kuchukua shamba ya mtu hakuna mtu tunaenda kupiga ama kutoa. Tunasema ya kwamba mtu apewe haki yake, kama niko na shamba niende nipewe haki yake, na serikali nayo isimame na sisi. Na kama ni county commissioner akubali akae na kila upande, asikize kila watu na kila mtu asikizwe ndio wajue haki iko wapi.
Na ndio tunaomba serikali, kwa sababu tunaona serikali kama inatupagua kwa sababu inasikiza wale hawana title, na sisi wenye title hawatuiti ndio tusikie vile maoni yao.
Nayo kajo ya makanitha bũrũri-inĩ nĩyo NCCK nĩ ĩkĩtĩrĩte na kũrĩ bodi ya macukuru wothe bũrũri-inĩ gũkorwo makĩhũthĩra kĩgĩna kĩa bithi ũrĩa kwagĩrĩire na kũhe ikereka rĩa mbere harĩ ũhũthĩri wa irio iria ihũthagĩrwo macukuru-inĩ oro hamwe na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ. Oroho NCCK ni oretie athomi a maundu megie irio gukorwo makiruta wira hamwe na bodi ya mashukuru maya niguo gutigirira ati arutwo othe guku bũrũri-inĩ ni makorwo makiamukira irio uria kwagiriire. Bodi ya NCCK ni oretie thirikari nene kunyitana na thirikari cia county niguo gutigirira ati thukuru ciothe ni ciakorwo ikiamukira irio uria kwagiriire guku bũrũri-inĩ.
School boards to change their strategies, how they operate, how they allocate money, to make sure that the first and priority in the priority in those allocation should be about food. In county committees, board of management of schools, be it primary, lower primary, those who are in junior high school, we organize ourselves well so that we make sure that a priority becomes our children. We call upon the government to make a deliberate decision to focus on the nutritional value of the meals served to learners in schools. The health of the learners should invite us much attention as the learners' presence in the school. Towards this, we urge that nutritionalists be appointed at the sub-county level with mandates to work with the schools to ensure that they serve food to learners that is healthy and relevant to socio-cultural settings. There may be need for collaboration between the ministries of health and education on this undertaking. We further urge that the government displays this concern for the welfare of the learners by expanding the school feeding programs to all schools.
Of the welfare, and I think that is where feeding of learners falls on. We need to encourage the parents also strongly to come on board and ensure they are supporting the school management to think about this. And also wish to mention that the other stakeholders like local health centers, they should come on board at least to advise and to give us, because truly speaking, the parents and everybody is feeling the pinch, especially because of the economy. But we cannot, and I say again, we cannot assume the role of taking care of the welfare of the learners.
Nayo thirikari nene nirutite uteithio kuri kaunti ya Kiambu hari waki wa thoko kuria koretwo ikihe mahura njeki na makiria ma ciringi milioni 50 iria ikuhuthika gwaka thoko cia makiria ma 22 makirugoria wako wa thoko ya Ting'ang'a. Arugamiriri a miako ino ya thoko maugite ati thoko ino ya Ting'ang'a ni imwe ya mwanya makiria amu yakitwo na muhamo wa kiriu uria ukuguna onjoria a thoko na aikari a guku kaunti ya Kiambu.
Hivyo tulikuwa tumekuja tuhakikisha tumeanzisha hii mradi ya kujenga soko ambayo rais ametupatia shilingi milioni 50 za kujenga, na hii soko ni maridadi, maana watu ambao wamekuwa wakichomeka ni hawa wale watu tumekuwa tukiita mama boga, maana hao ndio watakuwa wanauzia katika hii soko. Imejengwa, itakuwa na ICT hub, itakuwa na social hall, itakuwa na mahali pa nursing pa watu wetu, na pia kwa sababu huu mradi ni wa shilingi milioni 50, tunataka kuhakikisha ya kwamba watu ambao wanaobahatika kama wanaosaidika ni wakaaji wa ile area ambao hiyo soko inaojengwa. Rais akakubali kutupatia shilingi milioni 50 kwa kila market, na hii Kiambu yetu tuko na soko zaidi ya 22 ambazo rais amepeana.
Soko itachukua kama miezi 6 kumalizika, na itakuwa kwamba tumekaa na chairman wa soko, tumekaa na yeye pamoja na watu yake, komiti yake, tukasema wale ambao walikuwa kwa hii soko hawa ndio watarudi pale, na kama kuna watu wengine wataingia, lazima tukae chini na hii komiti pamoja na chairman, tuseme wale wataingia, hii komiti lazima ikuwe inahusika.
Mimi naitwa George Wainaina na mimi ndiye chairman wa hii soko, na nitajifunia sana kwa sababu ya kujengewa hii soko. Soko hii ni kubwa, itachukua kama wachuuzi kuanzia 200 kwenda juu.
Ni muuzaji wa hapa. Matatizo yenye tulikuwa na matatizo kama jua ikikuja ama mvua tunyanyeshewa na vitu zetu zinaharibika. Tena kwa hii soko matope ndio ilikuwa mingi sana.
Namo magana ma aikari a kaunti ya Uasin Gishu muthenya wa muthe nimeyumiretie kugira uhoro ngothi ya mahenya ma gutua ng'ongo guku bũrũri-inĩ Kelvin Kiptum uria wakorirwo agĩbunja rekodi ya mahenya thĩ ng'ima kuria ũmũthĩ mekũmũheaga gĩtĩo gĩake kĩa mũico. Kiptum arakuire arĩ na ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 24 mũtino-inĩ wa barabara uria wĩrĩga kũhanĩka Eldoret gũthiĩ Kiptagat marĩ hamwe na nyabara wake.
And together, YK27, we say Kelvin Kiptum. Kelvin Kiptum. Kelvin Kiptum. Kelvin Kiptum.
Nao aciari a ciana cia ECD kuma macukuru-inĩ mamwe mwena wa Meru nĩ marĩkĩtie kũrũrũngana na gũtetia kwandĩkwo kwa arimũ arĩa mandĩkĩtwo nĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya gũkũ Embu, kũrĩa kũringana na aciari acio maugĩte atĩ thirikari ya kaunti ya Embu ĩbatiĩ kwandĩka arimũ arĩa marakoretwo magĩtwarithia na gũthomithania ciana kana arutwo aya rĩrĩ marahingagwo nĩ aciari. Nĩ maroria thirikari gũkorwo makĩandĩka arimũ arĩa mecagũrĩire handũ ha kwandĩka arimũ angĩ.
Tumeandamana hapa siku ya leo asubuhi hii juu gavana amekataa kutimiza aliyotuagiza. Alituhimiza kwamba atatuajilia mwalimu wetu wa ECD Mrs. Gikundi, na saa hii tumelauka kuletewa mwalimu mgeni and we don't want a new face. Ndio maana tumekusanyika hapa tukaandamana tumemtoa tumemfikisha kwa barabara na hakuna mwalimu tutakubali aletwe Gatontone primary akiwa wa ECD. Mambo tumesema ni matatu. Either waajiri mwalimu wetu wa ECD Mrs. Gikundi, watafutie mwalimu alikuwa ameleta shule nyingine afunze, ama tukae na mwalimu wetu. Sisi kama wazazi tumekubaliana ya kwamba hakuna mwalimu mgeni ataletwa Gatontone. Gavana, ombi letu ni utuajilie mwalimu wetu wa ECD Mrs. Gikundi ambaye ako hapa. Tumempatia ufunguo wa kuingia darasani afunze watoto wetu, na kama kuna mwalimu mwingine ataletwa akiwa mgeni, sisi hatutakubali kama wazazi wa Gatontone.
Kama sio Mrs. Gikundi hatutaki mwalimu mgeni. Hatutaki na hatutaki. Mama, ulituambia vizuri sana. Tukiingia shuleni, tukikuta sio mwalimu wetu, tukupigia ripoti. Tunaomba kama ombi leo. Tutimizie ahadi yetu.
Miaka 8 saa hii amefunza hii shule. Kwa nini atuchukuliwe yeye? Tumesema huyo mwalimu analetwa Kathigo, atumtaki na tutamuondoa aende. Tunataka mwalimu ambaye amezoeana na watoto wadogo, na ambaye anawajua, na ambaye anajua wazazi. Hii shule, huyo mwalimu akiingia atafunza ambao kila mtoto ataondolewa, tutakaa naye nyumbani. So mwalimu wetu ako na kila kitu amesoma, achukuliwe na serikali kama wengine.
Na riboti ĩyo nĩyo ĩragĩtũhe kamweke ga gwĩkĩrĩra ndũgathiĩ haraya, tũracokereria na mangĩ maingĩ.
In the heart of Nairobi City, this February, a divine convergence will take place at Nyayo National Stadium. The churches of Kenya extend a heartfelt invitation to you as we welcome God's servant, Pastor Benny Hinn, renowned for signs, healing, and miracles. Join us at Nyayo National Stadium on the 24th and 25th of February 2024 from 3 p.m. daily. Witness the miraculous and be part of a spiritual encounter that will transform your life.
I want all of you in Kenya to be there at the crusade.
This powerful meeting has been made possible by the generous support of the churches of Kenya. For more information, call 0796 92 8052. See you there.
Tere, mambo ni mawili, kufikisha, kumwaga na kurudi. Kulala ni mwaka mpya.
Bua muka we mse. Nini mbaya? Wewe kwani woni vile dereva anaendesha gari vibaya, lazima tususe. Anaendesha gari na kwa simu the whole time, hata angalia barabara. Tusimame. Wewe dereva wewe, mwaka iliyopita peke yake watu zaidi ya 3,000 walipoteza maisha yao barabarani kwa sababu ya tabia kama hizo. Hautatuangamiza tukiona.
Naomba msamaha, nitampeleka vizuri.
Si wameomba msamaha. Sasa tuende tusafiri kwa mwendo wa aste.
Dere Smart hufikisha abiria salama. Ujumbe huu umeletwa kwako na NTSA kwa ushirikiano na European Union.
Save a Life nĩ gĩkundi gĩtarĩ gĩa gĩthirikari kĩrĩa gĩkoretwo gĩgĩcenjia maica ma andũ ngũrani Kenya yothe. Nginyagia haha nĩ tũcenjetie maica ma andũ makĩria ma 100,000 through gũtwara arwaru thibitarĩ, gwakĩra arĩa matarĩ na cikaro, kũhe andũ irio, gũteithia ciana iria ciũrĩire mabarabara-inĩ na kũ-empower mbeũ njĩthĩ. Nyitanĩra na ithuĩ o mũthenya nĩgetha tũkorwo tũkĩnyitanĩra hamwe gũteithia na kũgarũrĩra maica ma andũ. Save a Life, transforming lives.
Ure mũrĩmi mũnini na nĩ ũrabatara ngwatanĩro na nyũmba ya mohoro. Ihinda nĩ rĩrĩ, amu Mũthingi TV nĩ irakũhe mweke wa kwanĩrĩrithia kĩmenyithia nĩguo ũkũrie biacara yaku na njĩra nene. Tũhũrĩre thimũ kũgerera 0777 572 358 kana ũtwandĩkĩre email nĩyo sales@lookuptv.co.ke. Ũka tũtume ndũgũ na tũtirithanie hamwe, amu ndũgũ nĩ makinya.
Nitwagicokereria na riu atongoria ngũrani a ODM kuma mwena wa Kakamega riu nimeyumĩrĩtie na kwendithĩria munini wa mũtongoria wa kĩama gĩkĩ Wycliffe Oparanya gũkorwo akĩoya matamu ma kĩama gĩkĩ kĩa ODM. Nĩ thutha wa mũtongoria wa kĩama gĩkĩ Raila Odinga gũkorwo akĩranĩra mĩto yake ya kũhũranĩra gĩturwa ya mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa ũtongoria wa ũrũmwe wa gĩtarũ kĩa Afrika nikio AU.
Sisi kama viongozi wa chama cha ODM tuko na structure. Sisi baba akitoka akienda nje, tuko na imani na deputy party leader wake Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya ku take over hiyo kiti ya party leader, sababu ni mzee mwenye ako na utulivu, ni mtu mwenye amekuwa loyalty kwa chama, na ni mtu performance ambaye amekuwa governor, amekuwa chairman wa magavana Kenya nzima, amekuwa waziri Vision 2030, yeye ndiye alikuwa amesimamia. So tuko na imani akichukua chama cha ODM hakitadidimia.
Ni sisi kama chama cha ODM tunaonelea kwamba Ambetsa Oparanya ndiye anaweza kulinda chama cha ODM Kenya mzima, kwa maana Mungu mwenye amepeana promotion kwa baba tena amepatia Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya promotion. Watu wa ODM mmesikia? Oparanya huyo ndio chairperson party leader ODM.
Mzee Oparanya amekaa na chama, amekufa na chama kwa shida na raha. Hata wakati tulinyang'anywa ushindi wa nchi hii, Oparanya ndio pekee yake alibaki na mzee, na amekuwa akitembea na mzee Kenya mzima wakifanya chama kuwa kiendelee. Kwa hivyo sisi tunasema wakati mzee wetu Raila anaenda huko juu, Oparanya abaki hapa Kenya akitulindia chama.
Ambaye pia sio muoga, ametufaitia 2023 ambaye njaa ilikuwa na uwa watu. Ruto aliongeza usuru kwa sisi, amekamatwa, ameteseka na sisi. Hiyo ndio sababu tunaomba Wycliffe Ambetsa Oparanya anatosha hiyo kiti. Na hii kiti atutumi ya kwamba Wycliffe Oparanya chukue, ya kwamba hii chama ni ya Wajaluo peke yao. Hii chama ni ya Kenya mzima.
Nake mucirithania munene wa igoti ria Isiolo Malusi Mutai ni kitieretana kore aikari aguko Isiolo gukorwo makihimbiria nja ya gutwithania macira nja wa igoti, kuona ati macira maria matatuithanĩtio igoti-inĩ rĩrĩ ra Isiolo ni maingĩ muno makiria, na arita njira imwe ya gukorwo igicokereria thayo ona thengia wa ngucanio gatagatĩ ka aikari aguko Isiolo.
Of course, education cannot be enough. Even us who have been to the university and so on, we cannot sit and say we've had enough education. Already elders of this county have been trained, but that is not enough. They need to constantly get trained. Why do I say so? Because the nature of cases, the way they are committed, things are now changed, or they keep changing. They keep changing because yesterday there was no technology. Today there is technology. So the manner in which cases are being committed continue to be different. And the more reasons why now these elders should continue receiving training or receiving the know-how as to how to handle these particular cases. And it is not just the elders, because when you hear the elders, people tend to think about elders who are elderly age-wise. We have also incorporated the youth because of the modern technologies. They are also well endowed with the knowledge on modern technology. They should be able now to assist the senior elders in determining of the cases. So I cannot say that they have been adequately or sufficiently educated. Education is a revolving thing. It is continuous. So what they were taught yesterday, they may not be able to apply it today. What they have been taught today, they may not be able to apply it today. So ideally, it is a continuous thing. The meeting we've had yesterday and today, we were blessed to have development partners, and when you talk about the ukumbi that you're about to start, at least we are getting support from our partners, the IDLO, and we are so grateful because of their continued support. We also today we've been promised by the county government that they'll come in handy, so I can comfortably say that we have our partners IDLO.
Mtu ni kusema ya kwamba nyinyi ambao mmehamasishwa tunawatuma kutusaidia kuambia jamii waamini AJS, wajenge imani, trust, waamini AJS, ili yale makesi ambayo mahakama yetu ikiongozwa na Madam Lucy Mutai mheshimiwa, wawe na imani kwamba watapata fair and impartial justice.
Nao anyiti itemi au thaitiri wa ciana nima reketie guteta ongerereka gwa ciĩko cia ciana nini gũkorwo ikĩrutithio mawĩra maritũ ũrĩa nĩ mũgarũ na watho kaunti-inĩ ya Kajiado kũrĩa ciĩko ici cionekanĩtie kuongerereka na gĩkĩro kĩnene nĩ ũndũ wa ciana ici gũkorwo itegũthiĩ cukuru kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa rũhonge rwa ciana gũkũ mwena wa Kajiado Cosmas Karera augĩte atĩ kaunti ya Kajiado nĩyo yandĩkithĩtie ciĩko iria nyingĩ makĩria mwaka-inĩ ũyũ kuona atĩ yandĩkĩte ciĩko ici makĩria 219.
During that meeting, actually, this case led the following, including where
in Kajiado County, we have a 50-50 population in terms of sexual ratio from the last census. And this has seen a majority of our youths getting, and these are youths below 18 years. These are the population that is at highest risk of HIV currently, and they're the ones who are at highest risk of gender-based violence and child labor. Now, the cases that we've been seeing in our health facilities are cases related to child labor.
Child abuse, na siku ya leo tumeweza kuangazia hizo mambo na tukasema ya kwamba tukaonelea kwamba Kajiado particularly kumekuwa na visa kama hizo za watoto kudhulumiwa na kuajiriwa wakiwa chache, wakiwa na umri mdogo, na tuko hapa kupingana na hizo mambo. Tuko hapa kujadiliana, tumeshikana na wadau mbalimbali.
Most of these children are either working, and most of the time you find either they are looking for after animals, especially when it comes to boys, they are looking after the animals. And when issues of child marriage comes to our office, you find that those girls are working as mothers at homes. They are supposed to take care of the other children. And considering that we are in a Maasai community, polygamy is an issue, and whoever comes last as the last wife is the one who is given the responsibility to take care of the animals and also the children.
And that is why it comes as a project. One of the most
nake mwanake umwe wa ũkũrũ wa mĩaka 22 kuma mwena wa Kakamega nĩ arokire kũhũrwo rithathi muthenya wa mũthĩ nĩ abitha wa borithi thutha wa andũ a bamĩrĩ gũkorwo magĩikĩrĩte na kũrĩ maabitha a borithi rĩrĩ gũkiuma na ngũĩ cia kĩmũciĩ kũrĩa akoretwo akĩmahithũkĩria ihinda kwa ihinda kũrĩa abitha ũyũ wa borithi nĩ atigĩtwo na nguraro ya moko thutha wake gũkorwo agĩtharĩkĩrwo nĩ mwanake ũyũ mbere yake atahũrĩtwo rithathi.
Tulipata ripoti ya kuwa anatishia kumwangamiza mama yake. Mama yake akaenda akapeleka ripoti kwa chief, na chief naye akakuja kwa police station ambako polisi waliandamana na yeye mpaka kwa boma lao. Kufika huko, jamaa akashika panga, alitaka amalize mama yake, lakini ile polisi walikuwako wakamnyang'anya panga. Akakimbia, akakuja na jembe. OCS alifikiria anafanya tu mchezo, akamkata mkono.
Vile nilikimbilia polisi, nataka usaidizi, ninaona sikai nikiwa free. Niko na msoso na mtoto mkubwa sana. Mkuja mnichukulie huyu mtoto, akaeko nje muta yenye mtambea. Sasa hata akirudi akiwa msima, nitapika asanti. Na yenyewe vile polisi ilikuja, haikuchukua mtoto. Mtoto alipata risasi, mtoto akaaka.
So sisi kama jamii tulikuwa tunajua kwamba serikali watakuja kushika mtoto, mtoto aenda abadilishwe, mtoto akue sawa, kwa sababu mtoto hakuwa tu amemshika ameiba ama nini. Ni hiyo vile mtoto alikuwa anasumbua, alikuwa aenda abadilike. Lakini mtoto naye amefariki. Sasa kama jamii tunaomba ya kwamba serikali waweze kutusaidia, mtoto aweze kurejeshwa na tuone vile nasaidika. Kama jamii tunahitaji vile serikali itasaidia.
Sisi tumeshangaa na tumehusunika, lakini sasa sisi kama wananchi plus na familia ya huyo kijana, sisi tunalilia tu haki ya huyo kijana. Kama mtu ako na makosa, anashikwa awekwe ndani, na serikali nyinyi ndio mnasema usichukue sheria mkononi, upike mwenzako ama uwe mwenzako.
Kwa imotoigire kuria iharo-ini citu kuria kirabu kiria kiramataga mbitika cia ngonya ligi nene ya guku bururi-ini KCB ni mathiete na mbere na mehariria mao kuria matanyite gukang'ethanira na kirabu kiria kiri namba 4 ligi-ini kirabu kia Harlequin kiharo-ini gia KCB Sports Club Ruaraka weekend ino.
If we go to the records, they are the good games that people come to watch, games that have a lot of history behind them. So for us, it's just a challenge for the new guys who are in the system, who are playing Queens. I think the main focus is just to keep on what they have been doing, to drive themselves and just to keep their mental and keep driving on whatever we want them to achieve as a team. At least we were able to see what they are able to do on the best day. So we saw them play Cabras the other time. So it's a plus for us just to focus on the things that we can do better on ourselves and the other things that we can deny them from doing. So ours is just to focus on ourselves mostly and do the things that we need to do right and to focus on their strength and to try and deny them some of the things they were doing better over the weekend. Having won most of the games, the boys are psyched. Every challenge that comes to them is a new learning for them. I feel everybody's ready to take up Queens on the weekend, and it's a matter of just the day coming in and everybody pushing and giving the 100% and seeing the results. Darwin is back now. We expect him to make the squad over the weekend and to bring his experience and his A play and to be able to lead us to where we want to go. Definitely, beating Queens here will be a big boost for the boys. Queens is not a small side, it's an experienced side that has been boosted a lot with some of the new players from Homeboys. So it's a matter of just building ourselves and picking ourselves and working ourselves out. So it's something that we are very capable of doing, and we expect the boys to go all out and get a better experience from Queens. So we'll build from Queens, and then the other weekend we'll plan for play over here. We need to focus ourselves, get ready, be strong. Mentally, the biggest thing for us is just to build their mental capacity. If they are mentally strong, we'll be able to take anybody who comes our way.
Na mwerere witũ ho niho tũgũkorwo tũgĩtirihĩra gĩkũnjũro gitũ kĩa mohoro mũthenya wa mũthĩ. Ngatho cia mwanya makĩria nĩwe gwĩtĩkĩra gũtwara na ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie gĩkũnjũro gĩkĩ nginyagia rĩu. Ngatho cia mwanya makĩria kũrĩ arĩa othe tũgĩkorwo tũkĩnyitana nao nenda-inĩ citũ cia ũkinyanĩria, arĩa magĩkorwo magĩtũma ndũmĩrĩri ciao kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook. Ngĩcokeria ngatho arĩa twatindania nao gũkũ studio, arĩa magĩtigĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ makorwo magĩkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩrĩkĩte. Tũmatongoretie nĩ producer wakwa mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Mwangi wa Mũrugi na director wakwa mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Paris. Ngũririkania atĩ wona ciarĩkia kwĩhanda thaa ĩmwe nginyagia thaa ithatũ tũgũkorwo tũgĩtũngana rĩngĩ, ngũmenyithie ũrĩa maũndũ megũkorwo matariĩ kũringana na ũrĩa tũgũkorwo tũharĩrĩirio nĩ andĩki aitũ a mohoro. No kwa kahinda gaka njĩtĩkĩria niĩ ngorwo ngĩkinya hau, njĩtĩkaga wa Irimũ wa Kĩmani ya kwendithĩria mĩaraho mĩega.